Yeah, guys, I just want to make this video talking about some conversion strategies and things to focus on this year, because I know it's things that I'm going to be focusing on this year. So I know when I first started out, it was very easy to get overwhelmed, and I definitely felt like that when I first started out and first started trying to figure out everything involved with internet marketing, building a sales funnel, creating an online business. Like there's just so much of it. So I kind of made it worse for myself by going and trying to create a whole bunch of funnels at one time and manage a whole bunch of funnels at one time. So the first thing that I would strategy that I would recommend is simplicity, right? Keeping things simple, just focusing on one of the main things, one of the main tenets that Russell talks about is just focusing on one funnel, taking that over $1 million per year, and then you can go and launch another funnel, right? So I'm definitely about that. I went and shut down a bunch of funnels and a bunch of stuff that was distracting me recently, and that's it. And I'm just going with one single funnel, and I'm just working on that. The second conversion strategy that you want to go with is video. Now, the first time I had to create a video, I just about crapped myself. I just thought of being, creating a video and hearing myself talk out loud, that was horrifying back at that point, right? And now it's gone even beyond that, right? The thought of doing standing talking head videos with an HD camera pointed at my mug, I just was I don't want to do that. The thought of it was just really just didn't appeal to me, but it was it needs to be done. It's just online is all about video these days. And I mean, it's not, you just get to the point where you understand it needs to be done for your business, and you just kind of get over yourself, right? It's not, am I too good to be on video? Is it, you know what I mean? What's the holdup, right? Is it just real, or really is it just more about me and just needing to get over myself and just point the camera at myself and start talking and do just like I did before when I had to create my first video, was just sit down, hit record, and cut that first video. And it was god awful, and these are god awful, and the first ones probably will be for a while until you get the hang of it, and it's just part of the process, right? But I made my first video before where it was just recording a screen capture, talking over PowerPoint slides, and now it's evolved to this. So to get involved with online business now and not use video, I think is just I just don't know how it can be done very effectively. So you're gonna have to use it in some capacity. So yeah, embrace it, love it, right? And the third concept is traffic, right? So I'm looking forward to get my hands on Traffic Secrets, and I know that I'm going to absolutely just read it at least 2 times over and just implement whatever I can out of it. But that's part of the reason that I'm creating these videos, is to create my own traffic source, create my own audience, see who wants to actually watch and learn about this kind of stuff. I love talking about ClickFunnels and sales funnels and marketing and conversions and copywriting and all that kind of stuff. And I'm sure there's people that want to talk about that and learn about that. So that's why I make this, is to appeal to them. Just talk about the struggles that I've had so that hopefully they can avoid it and I can help them out, right? So that is the 3 main conversion strategies that I'm going to implement and work on this year. And yeah, I think you should do the same. Or let me know which strategies that you're going to work on in the comments section below. And I'll see you in the next video.